Pennsylvania. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey, every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of severe weather during the normal test time, the test will be postponed to the next good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning-alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous weather watches and warnings for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Berks, Carbon, Lehigh, Monroe, Montgomery, Middletown, Pike and Schuylkill, and in New Jersey, Hunterdon, Mercer, Morris, Somerset, Sussex, and Warren. This concludes the weekly Test of NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards, Station WXL 39 in Allentown, Pennsylvania. Thank you for listening to NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards.
Including Upper Delaware Bay. And in Maryland, Seafolk, including Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island. This concludes the weekly Test of NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards, Station KIH 28 in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Thank you for listening to NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Newcastle County in northern Delaware, northern Kent County in central Delaware, northeastern Queen Anne's County in northeastern Maryland, east central Kent County in northeastern Maryland until 8 p.m. At 7:18 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Delaney Corner, or 13 miles south of Middletown, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Smyrna, Clayton, Cheswold, Millington, Delaney Corner, Woodland Beach, Green Spring, Kenton, Leipzig, and Chambersville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Just checking.
In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm.
8 p.m.
Oh.
Move indoors immediately.
7:18 p.m. A severe
Remember,
thunderstorm
if you
was...
can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating,
Yeah, that
a
makes
severe
sense.
thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. for the following counties in Delaware, Kent and Newcastle, and the following counties in Maryland, Kent and Queen Anne's.
Minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roof, siding,
Okay, we're
trees,
gonna
and power. You are close enough to
It took WWJZ 2 quintillion years.
A severe thunderstorm warning has
Thankfully, I
been
turned them
issued
on.
until 8 p.m. for the
So I just
following
got,
counties
the
in
very end of
Delaware,
their alert.
Kent and Newcastle,
I'm counting
and
it
the
still.
following counties in Maryland, Kent and Queen Anne's.
The special marine warning for
special
Upper
marine
Delaware
warning.
Bay until 8:30 p.m.
What's that?
At 7:35 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located 8 nautical miles west of Woodland Beach, or 11 nautical miles southwest of Stony Point, moving northeast at 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts
Don't think
34
anyone
knots
goes
or
off
greater
for
and small hail.
SMWs.
Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Woodland Beach, Stony Point, Sea Breeze, and Ship John Shoal Light. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.
We're done.
Weather Service in
As I was
Sterling,
going up
Virginia,
the
has
E.
issued a special
Oh,
marine
good
warning
job,
for
LW. I shouldn't issue this any other time. I was walking up the stairs.
North Beach to Drum Point, Maryland. Choptank River to Cambridge, Maryland, and the Little Choptank River. Paxton River to Brooms Island, Maryland.
I don't think anyone goes
inland
off
waters surrounding Bloodsworth Island.
Besides my IP
until
radio
9
station,
p.m.
but I don't use them for stuff
7:57
because
p.m.,
I have
a strong
this.
thunderstorm was located over Cuckold Creek, moving east at 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Cuckold Creek, Greenwell State Park, Town Creek, Hooper Island Light, St. Leonard Creek, Drum Point, Flag Harbor, Calvert Cliffs, and Solomon's Island. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Jersey until
Okay,
8:45
SVR, we know who's going off for this. Based on
A
everyone, so
severe
let's switch over
thunderstorm
to
was located
they
near
were
Woodland
banned.
Beach, or 13 miles west of Bridgeton, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail.
They're toning it.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles
Let's
is
switch over
possible.
to one,
Wind
because they
damage
might
to
be toning
roofs,
right now.
siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Millville, Bridgeton, Alloway,
doing
Kintar,
anything.
Greenwich, Shiloh, Olivet, Hancock's Bridge, Newport Meadows, Hope Creek, Seabrook Farms, Rosenhay, Fairton, and Centerton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Okay, they're toning that.
Hail and damaging winds. Frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring
See
with this storm.
if anyone else
Move
tones it.
indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating,
Nope,
a severe
that's not
thunderstorm
normal.
warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey,
Oh.
Cumberland, and Salem.
I don't know if they're gonna tone anything. We'll just see for just another few seconds. Yeah, they're not toning this.